Okay, hey guys. So I'm going to be exposing somebody, a cheating boyfriend. Not mine, well, it was my ex boy I didn't really like. So I'll just test him out to know if he's a player or those kind of guys. So I wrote like, wow, we just started dating and he broke up on a friend in me. I'm really hurt. I couldn't give it damn. Wait, huh? Did I get mixed up? Get what mixed up? You broke up with me and unfriended me when I just started dating. That's I didn't do it. I have a friend that may have done it, and so there's no need to make excuses. I'm not. Prove it. I don't care how, because I don't have a reason to break up with you. So that's why. So why would I? Maybe because she's typo. Maybe because she's prettier than me. No. Listen, she has been my friend since this account, which was years ago. She had a blah blah. I don't have time to start reading everything. You guys can see it now, or just positive times not enough for you. I was like, so you like me? Now she replied, yes. Do you not like me now? I do. Yeah. Then this his girlfriend. I'm gonna show you a chat. I was warning her about the fact that he's a player and he's only playing her, but she won't believe me. She's trying to. She thinks that she's supreme and that um yeah, I don't know what to say. Here's my chat with his current girlfriend. Your boyfriend? Well, he asked me out. I just put this because I didn't have anything to say currently to her. Exactly, got anything to say. So she must be feeling like um feeling high, feeling I don't know what to use for her, but she's a dumb. Yeah, I'm gonna change my language. Right? So she now basically asked me, so what did my boyfriend say to you? So she must have thought that maybe since she him reported me to him, he would like tell me to leave her alone or something. But what he said was what I showed you guys. And as you can see, she still didn't get me the message. I told him, you'll be hot notch. He said, in your dreams. I wrote, Lord, I'm gonna upload to photos. Now I'm like, okay, do it. What's your proof? I screenshotted shorted, but it's not allowed. Exactly. No proof. Now what else to dump you soon anyway? Sure. So do you have any social media I share with you there? Said no. So emphasis on this, sure, she doesn't believe me. Maybe this video will make her believe me. So thank you guys so much, and it's time for the last part of this video. Shout outs. So I'm gonna give a shout out first to Unicorn Pinky Girly 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 for giving me deep packs and over 25 greets and gifts, and I just can't thank her enough. I should have put this at the beginning of the video. Um so yeah, then I've also got to thank a lot of people, but even though if I don't thank anybody, I must always thank Lil Model. Oh, and guys, remember this is USA server. So basically, um, well, for some reason I can't find her. Well, but her name is Lil Model, but I don't remember her full name. But I'm gonna give you her name in the next video. Oh, and if I get up to 100 subscribers, I'm going to do a giveaway for this account.
So you can see that person already.
Let's send the proof here, but anyone. So I'm gonna give out this account, Kisa One. I know she's not rich and all that, but at least she's in a medium level 11, and she's just almost in level 12. I'm gonna make her level 12 soon enough. So again, thank you guys so much for this video. It means a lot to me that you're watching this. Bye.